very early. First day of rehearsal. Done. Rehearsal is early in the afternoon today. It's gonna be a good day. I'm very sleepy. I think my allergies are a little out of control right now. But it's gonna be fine. We have been watching our friend's bird for about a week and a half. She's gonna get picked up today, but we just woke her up. Are you ready for the day, Poblano? Her name is Poblano. Poblano Pepper. Say good morning. Good morning. There she is. Good morning. Oh my goodness. Good morning. Good morning. Did you have a good night's sleep? Yeah. Ah, who's that? Is that a birdie bird? What do you think? Here. There you go. Ooh.
Yes, we did last time. Okay, well, should be your email if you use the Care Academy.
Oh my god. It smells good, Poblano. Being a bird, being a bird, being a bird. Sorry. She says, I don't care. This is my world. You're all just living in it. Oh, there she is. Who's that? I have to go to rehearsal. I have to leave very soon. Yep. If I could take you to rehearsal, I wouldn't. I would. Everybody would love you. Everybody would lose their minds. Okay, madame. I know you're gonna holler. Come on. But there you go. What? She knows I'm leaving. It's very good so far. So good. Ooh. It's a tart. It's a tart one. Mm. Hi. Oh my God. The stairs are horrible. Hi. Rehearsal.
I'm in a closet.
Jenna Claire?
I like the way you say my name.
What? Do I say it differently than other people?
No, you just say
Jenna
it
Claire?
in a way that I like. I don't know. Some people don't even
For
know
those
that my
of
name is
you-
Jenna Claire.
For those of you, yeah, they do like to call you Jenna. For those of you who don't know, this is the Jenna Claire. We have hocus, we have hocus, we have hocus.
There's no place like home. There's no place like home. Did you know that I click my heels together 3 times in Show's parlor?
You don't?
I do.
Do you really? I had no idea. When in Shiz Parlor?
Well, you're like,
Oh.
you're busy. You're doing, she's like, it's like, when
She's
Madame Horrible's singing.
She's having a voice lesson. I'm gonna leave her alone.
Derek can say hi on the blog.
Oh,
On the vlog. This is my alphabet Lindsay. I don't think you've met her yet.
hi there.
She's making a vlog. I said Derek needs to be on the vlog.
I've heard amazing things. You're a wizard of your own kind.
It's true.
I love you.
I love you.
And I know
Have a
that
good
you're
lesson. Thank you. I'm trying. Sila, say hi. You look beautiful. You look beautiful. You're a beautiful woman.
Thank you. Get out of here.
I can't. I live here. What do you think, Poblano?
Are you doing a time lapse? Oh, I'm just like in this. Am I being featured?
Yeah.
Day planner?
It's Vlogmas. I vlog every single day until Christmas Day. I've never done it before. Just a couple of chicks. Hot. Oh my God. Yep. Ooh.
Someone else's hair is growing out of my head.
No way.
Huh?
How do you mean?
It's like my hair's never done this before.
Oh geez, I put way too much out. There's too much of this homeopathic arnica. That may or may not do anything.
Lindsay, lay off the arnica.
Sorry.
Happiness is just around the corner. My butt is so sore. Oh my God, also the avocado guy is so easy.
So easy. So cheap.
So cheap.
So cheap.
I got 6 avocados for $15.
For those of you who have no idea what Tyler is talking about, it feels wrong to talk about it, but there's a man, a mysterious man called DAvocadoGuy, and if you live in the greater New York, like Manhattan, Brooklyn area, you can go online. Come here. You can go online.
Also limes.
Also limes, yes. And you can like excuse. You can, look how, are you kidding? Look at this face.
Shut up.
Shut the hell up. Are you, come on, you're so stunning.
No.
But you can go online and you can order avocados and they're perfect.
But I'm gonna go back to work now. Bye guys, love you, mean it.
She will be in probably a lot of these.
My first female roommate in 15 years.
That's right.
Yeah.
You lived with all boys.
All boys, always. And husbands.
Well, we do, yeah, we do have a boy, which is fine.
You alright?
No, it was too hot. I'm opening up the athletics bag. It's like Christmas morning. Literally everything I own that is workoutable and it's athletics. I can't get enough. Yes. I got sets this time too and I'm so thrilled. Ooh. Oh, you would love this one. I think, Tyler, you're gonna borrow this one. Hold on, I can show you. It's like a, almost like a Nickelodeon kind of top. Ooh, but it's mesh. What do you think, Popes? Pretty good? Pretty decent? Yes. 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 Athletics is everything. They had a Black Friday sale and I did something with that. Early Christmas gifts to myself. I'm gonna read some of this and get the rest of my work done for the day. Clean up my room. And that's the end of baby's first Vlogmas episode. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm having a blast. Okay, Poblano's dads are here. This is Nate.
Hey.
I'm not a dad.
And this is also Nate.
Hi.
And this is
Auntie.
Tyler.
I'm Tyler.
And
Auntie Tyler.
Poblano is now, where is she? She's on the floor in a little
not
kitty
out there.
carriage.
We're about to take her into her Uber XL. She's gonna be very comfortable. So
She's
don't
gonna-
come at us with your
No,
bird concerns.
and she has green apple in there to keep
She
her
does.
company.
She does. And her aunties took
Stop
such good
it.
care of her.
No,
Such good
Tyler was
care.
better at it than me.
No, you did great. You did a good job.
Anytime I freaked out, Tyler's had birds, and anytime I freaked out, I was like, what's going on? She's like, this is normal, literally. Relax.
Yes. Come visit her whenever.
But now you're in the Christmas vlog.
Yay! Hi Christmas.
Yes,
Hi everyone.
hi Christmas.
Hi, vlog.
Christmas. Feliz Navidad.
Bye, Poblano. I thought I was like, man, they're gonna go outside and I'm gonna be so sad.
I
She's
know.
gone. Little baby.